Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today's video is going to be a little different than our usual travel vlogs. We're going to share some travel hacks that every backpacker should know, to make their journey a little easier, more comfortable, and budget-friendly. Whether you're a seasoned backpacker or just starting out, we're confident that you'll find these tips useful. So without further ado, let's get started. 1. Pack light. The first and most important hack is to pack light. It's important to only bring what you absolutely need to avoid carrying around heavy luggage. Choose a backpack that fits your body comfortably and has plenty of compartments to organize your things. 2. Roll your clothes. Rolling your clothes is a space-saving technique that will help you fit more in your backpack. It also prevents wrinkles and makes it easier to find what you're looking for. 3. Use packing cubes. Packing cubes are small, lightweight bags that help you organize your clothes and gear. They come in different sizes and colors, making it easy to separate clean and dirty clothes or find items quickly. 4. Bring a water bottle. Bringing a reusable water bottle will save you money and reduce your plastic waste. Most backpackers carry a water bottle that they can refill at water fountains, cafes, and restaurants. 5. Use travel apps. There are a lot of travel apps available that can help you plan your trip, find the cheapest flights, and book hostels or hotels. Some popular travel apps include Hostelworld, Skyscanner, and Google Maps. 6. Get a local SIM card. Buying a local SIM card is a smart move if you're going to be traveling for a while. It will allow you to stay connected, access important information, and use your phone without paying expensive roaming fees. 7. Eat like a local. Eating like a local is a great way to save money and experience the culture. Try street food or visit local markets to taste authentic cuisine. You can also cook your own meals at hostels or guest houses. 8. Use public transportation. Using public transportation is usually cheaper and more efficient than taking taxis or renting a car. It's also a great way to see the city and experience local life. 9. Use locks and a money belt. Safety is always a concern when traveling, so it's important to use locks and a money belt to protect your belongings. Lockers are available in most hostels and guest houses, and a money belt can be worn under your clothes to keep your passport, cash, and credit cards safe. 10. Make friends. The last hack is to make friends with other travelers. Backpacking is a social experience, and making friends can lead to great memories, shared experiences, and new adventures. Well, that's it for today's video. We hope you found these travel hacks helpful and will use them on your next backpacking trip. Do you have any other travel hacks that you would like to share? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel content, and we'll see you in the next video.